Many artists suffer from the idea that permanent makeup is a skill that's easy and can be learned overnight. But nothing could be further from the truth. And if you're one of the many permanent makeup artists who've wasted thousands of dollars on permanent makeup trainings just to be left without the support you need to be successful, then listen up. My name is Leann Law. I'd like to introduce PMU-Pro, an online permanent brow course unlike any other. With the PMU-Pro Blueprint, you'll have access to a library of over 40 videos of detailed content teaching you how to conduct consultations, brow mapping methods, and of course, the secrets to my Ombre Powder Brows utilizing my trademarked Pigment Layering Technique. Plus, there are multiple shaping and procedure demos on real paying clients. We'll also be releasing new content to keep the information relevant, helping you to grow as an artist as I grow. And aside from the ever-growing training content, you will get exclusive discounts on products and access to our student-only Facebook group where your mentorship continues. You'll have the opportunity to connect and interact with artists from all over the world. Through this positive and supportive group, I do live Q&As, showcase work, give feedback, and share success stories so that we can all continue to learn together. And because I want to make this the best experience possible, you'll also get to come out to Fusion Artistry for hands-on workshops. This is where we continue the learning process and help fine-tune your skills and assist you through live model work. The best part is you get all this and more for life. This is a lifetime membership, so there's only one upfront cost and you'll have access to all the current and future content forever. You can watch and learn at your own pace and as many times as you want from your phone, computer, or tablet. So whether you're a new aspiring artist with zero knowledge or a seasoned pro looking to learn another technique, this program has huge benefits for all. So sign up today and join the thousands of students that I have mentored and create a life-changing business helping others look and feel beautiful. If you have any questions about joining, feel free to email me at leann@pmupro.com and we'll see you inside the course.